Today, I am reviewing the Shinco 6,000 square feet energy Star Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To start, let us address the most important number on the box, that 6,000 square foot claim. It is crucial to read the fine print here. That number is based on testing in extreme conditions, specifically 95 degrees Fahrenheit with 90% relative humidity. In the real world, unless you live in a rainforest, you're probably not going to be running this in a 6,000 square foot space and expecting it to dry out the entire area instantly. That said, it is a high-capacity unit capable of pulling a significant amount of moisture from the air, which makes it a strong contender for basements, large laundry rooms, or damp storage areas. It is designed to handle the heavy lifting, not just light moisture maintenance. The design philosophy here is built around practicality. You get a 1.32-gallon water tank, which is a decent size, but if you are running this in a truly damp environment, you're going to find yourself emptying that bucket quite often. This is where the continuous drainage option becomes essential. The unit includes a drain hose that allows you to bypass the tank entirely and send the water straight to a floor drain. If you have a basement with a drain, this is the way to go, as it essentially makes the device maintenance-free. You set it up, walk away, and forget it exists until the humidity levels have finally dropped to where you want them. One of the modern touches included with this model is the Wi-Fi connectivity. In the past, dehumidifiers were simple machines with a dial or a basic button interface. Now, having an app to control the settings is a notable convenience. You can check the current humidity level of your basement from your phone while sitting on the couch upstairs, or even while you are at work. This is particularly useful if you are managing a property where you cannot physically check on the unit every day. Being able to set schedules or adjust the target humidity without heading down into a cold, dark basement is a genuine quality of life upgrade. The interface on the unit itself is an intelligent touch panel, which is responsive and easy to navigate. It gives you precise control over the humidity levels, allowing you to set them in 5% increments. Most people find that the ideal range for comfort and health is between 45 and 55%. The unit has an auto mode that makes this easy. It senses the ambient air and cycles the compressor and fan accordingly. Once the room hits your target, the system shuts down to save energy, and it waits until the humidity creeps back up before kicking in again. This keeps your electricity usage more efficient compared to models that just run constantly at full blast. However, no appliance is without its quirks. When you are looking for a high-capacity dehumidifier, you have to accept that these things are not quiet. There is a compressor at work, and when it is running, it produces a consistent hum. If you are planning to put this in a bedroom where you are trying to sleep, you might find it distracting. It is much better suited for a utility room, a garage, or a basement where the noise can be contained behind a door. The fan has 2 speeds, which gives you some flexibility, but even on the lower setting, you will know the machine is on. The build is fairly standard for this category of product. It is made primarily of plastic, which helps keep the weight down, though it still feels substantial enough to handle the vibrations of the compressor. It is mounted on wheels or casters, which makes it easy to move around on a flat concrete floor or a hardwood surface. If you have to move it between different levels of your home, you will definitely want to be careful with the lifting, as these units can be awkward to carry despite the built-in handle. One feature I appreciate is the child lock. It is a simple thing, but if you have curious children running around the house, being able to lock the control panel means they cannot mess with your humidity settings or turn the unit off when you're not looking. It is a small detail, but it shows that the designers were thinking about real-world home environments rather than just clinical use. The water full indicator is another mandatory feature, and in this model, it is reliable. It will give you a warning before things get messy, and the automatic shutoff ensures that you do not come home to a flooded floor. Who is this unit for? It is perfect for the homeowner who is tired of the musty smell in their basement, or for someone who has a large laundry room that takes days to dry because the air is just too saturated. It is also a solid choice for anyone who wants to protect their stored items, such as books, clothing, or electronics, from the damaging effects of long-term moisture. If you are dealing with a recurring mold problem, this is a proactive tool to help keep that in check. Who should avoid this? If you're looking for a solution for a tiny closet or a small apartment, this might be overkill. It is a bulky piece of equipment, and it is going to take up floor space. You should also look elsewhere if you're extremely sensitive to noise and have nowhere to tuck the machine away. If you are in a situation where you cannot easily set up continuous drainage and you are not willing to empty a bucket once or twice a day, you might find the manual maintenance to be a chore that wears on you over time. Comparing the experience to other units in the category, the Shinco model strikes a balance between feature-rich operation and straightforward performance. You are not just paying for a fan and a coil. You're paying for the smart controls, the ability to fine-tune your environment, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing the system can manage itself. The app integration, while sometimes seen as an unnecessary gimmick, proves its worth here because a dehumidifier is something you really do want to monitor from a distance. The energy-saving aspect is also worth noting. Since it cycles off when the humidity reaches the target, it is not just sucking power all day and night. If you live in an area with high electricity costs, this is a significant factor in your long-term cost of ownership. It is not cheap to run a high-capacity machine, but by having smart sensors, this unit ensures you are only using the power you actually need to maintain a comfortable environment. When considering whether it is worth the investment, think about the cost of potential water damage. Fixing a basement that has suffered from moisture buildup, dealing with warped floorboards, or cleaning out a mold infestation is exponentially more expensive than a quality dehumidifier. Viewed through that lens, it is an insurance policy for your home. It performs the specific task of pulling moisture from the air effectively, and it gives you enough control to keep your living space exactly where you want it. In terms of what might disappoint, don't expect the app setup to be completely flawless. Like many smart home products, the initial connection to your local Wi-Fi can sometimes be a bit finicky depending on your router configuration or the strength of your signal in the basement. It usually takes a few tries to get the pairing sorted out, and once it is connected, it is generally stable, but don't expect it to be a plug-and-play experience on the first attempt. Keep your router settings in mind during the initial setup phase. The noise is another point of realism. I want to stress again that you shouldn't expect this to be whisper quiet. It is a workhorse, not a desktop fan. If you are prepared for that operational sound, you won't be surprised. It is just the reality of the engineering required to move that much air and condense that much moisture. If you keep your expectations aligned with the fact that this is a high-capacity basement or utility unit, you're going to be happy with how it functions. The water tank is also a bit of a mixed bag. It is well designed with a handle that makes it easy to carry, but it can be heavy when it is full. If you have limited mobility or if you struggle to lift heavy objects, you really should make sure you have a plan for the continuous drainage hose. Relying on the manual tank when the unit is operating at full capacity in a very damp space is going to require multiple trips a day to the sink or drain, which gets old fast. Ultimately, the Shinco dehumidifier does its job in a way that feels modern and reliable. It handles the humidity, it gives you the metrics you need to track your environment, and it offers the flexibility to run unattended if you have a drainage solution ready. It is a practical tool for a common problem. It is not going to change your life, but it will make your home feel a whole lot more comfortable. If you have a damp room that you have been struggling to manage, this is a sensible way to get it under control. The combination of the smart features and the high capacity makes it a strong contender for anyone serious about moisture management in a larger space. It is straightforward, it is effective, and it is built to handle the conditions that smaller, weaker units would struggle with for days on end. If you go in with the right expectations regarding noise and the need for a drain setup, you'll find that it is a solid piece of hardware that delivers on what it promises. It is a relief to see a product that focuses on the core functionality while adding just enough modern convenience to make the daily maintenance easier. For a homeowner looking to solve a dampness issue in a basement or garage, this unit is worth serious consideration.